Hi, I'm Mahima. Like most of us, I have also grown up eating a lot of chocolate. It has been a part of many occasions, many friendships, many important days. When I turned vegan more than 5 years back now, chocolate, because it has milk solids, stopped for me. So, over these years, when I saw these new brands come up with vegan chocolate, I couldn't be more happier. And so I decided to make this video where I talk about my top 5 brands of vegan chocolates which I can recommend to you guys, so you have your connection with chocolate maintained but don't have to worry about you being vegan but having to consume non-vegan chocolate. So let's go. Firstly, coming to The Whole Truth. Now, this is a brand which has given me the most wholesome experience, just being a brand in general. Right from the way they package things, to the way they have described their product, to the way their website is, honestly. They give you such an experience. Let's try this. This is the best healthy chocolate to have ever existed. Wow. I mean, of course, it feels like it's healthy. You can say that the texture, the taste is a little different from regular chocolate, but I mean, it's very minor. If you get used to this, there's no going back. And I can't lie, I've probably repurchased these easily 7 to 8 times now. Like the whole range has been repurchased 7 to 8 times now. I love it. Probably my favorite from the list. It feels like home. That's literally everything I have to say about it. It feels like it's made at home. You know how moms and dadis, they make chikkis at home, where you know absolute like pure ingredients have gone into the making of it. Maybe peanuts and maybe jaggery, and that's pretty much it. Similarly, for The Whole Truth, it's literally just cocoa powder and dates. That's it. Can you imagine? They are the only 2 ingredients that are used in this chocolate. Coming to the rating, in terms of health, I would rate it a 10 on 10. In terms of taste, I'd rate it a 7 on 10. The next brand that I'm going to come to is Ditch the Guilt. Now, this brand literally reminds me of maybe a protein bar. I have just come back from the gym after a workout session, and if feeling fit and feeling healthy and feeling extra motivated had a chocolate to it, it would definitely be Ditch the Guilt. It's just a chocolate which makes you feel like protein shake for some reason. It has proteins, it has low sugar, and just in general, if there were a chocolate to go with health and fitness and just being motivated when you're craving dessert but it's still, you really want to be consistent with your health goals, Ditch the Guilt is the kind of brand you'd go for. First impressions, it smells fantastic. Like, it smells like caramel. I opened the pack and there was this whiff of caramel, and I'm sure that will happen for all flavors. Wow. They have nailed the flavor. I cannot believe this is this healthy for chocolate. It is too decadent of a dessert. I really like their flavors. I am a fan of how the chocolate tastes like, and I'm also really impressed with how they've managed to nail these flavors and yet keep the ingredient list short and clean. In terms of taste, I'm gonna rate it a 9 on 10, and in terms of health, I'm gonna rate it an 8 on 10. Now coming to the next brand, which is Maison & Co. Now, I discovered this brand when I went to a trip in Pondicherry where there was this really cool cafe, bread and chocolate, and right next to it was this Maison & Co outlet which made me discover the brand, plus it got me to realize that they have a whole factory out there in Pondicherry. You know those experiences when you visit an organic farm or just go to a small town and you get to eat fresh produce which has maybe just come plucked fresh from farms, and it just tastes sweeter than normal and it feels really wholesome. This brand Maison Co makes you feel like that. It is bean to bark, and I think because I've been to Pondicherry where I've seen Auroville and their factory at Auroville, and I've seen the whole surrounding of the factory where they make it. The people who make it is exclusively led by women. It just feels really like environment friendly and wholesome and close to our roots. So hence all the greenery that you can pack into Maison Co makes you feel like that. So let's see how it tastes. Coming to its ingredients, again, it has limited ingredients and it is really truly made up of clean ingredients, lesser in number, and there are no nasty additives or preservatives added. Coming to the flavors, this brand surprises me with the different kind of flavors that it has. They can get really fancy. I especially have this Pondicherry pack, which is a mix of 5 different flavors, and plus there are these 2 other cool flavors that I've tried. I'm a fan. I really do like it. In terms of rating, I would rate the Maison & Co. for its taste like a 9 on 10, and for its health, it'll be an 8 on 10. Coming to the next brand, which is One Good. When you have to gift chocolate to your friends, just because it's a birthday or it's some occasion, and because I am a vegan, I try to gift vegan chocolates to my friends. But to know sure shot that they will 100% like that chocolate, it has to be extremely close to real chocolate in terms of the sweetness, in terms of the texture. So my absolute go-to has always been One Good because it's the closest to normal chocolate that you can find in the vegan market, or at least what I've found in the vegan market yet. I'm gonna try to taste this. As I said, it's the closest to normal chocolate that you can find in this vegan market. I also like how creative they're getting with the shape. It's like not trying to be healthy, not trying to be super, sugar free, etc. It's being itself. It's a chocolate and it's delicious. It's like a treat. You could give this to me and I'd say it's dairy milk. Gift this, guys. Gift this to your friends. They will convert into lovers of vegan chocolate. In terms of taste, I'd rate it a 10 on 10 because, it's everything a chocolate stands for. In terms of health, of course, I'd rate it a 6 on 10. Coming to the next brand, Paul & Mike. Now, this brand and all the flavors that it has literally reminds me of a huge buffet or a food court. You know how you enter a food court and it is so huge with so many different options? This chocolate is literally it. I hope you can hear me, but Paul & Mike feels like a mall's food court where you have way too many options to choose from, and it's all very exciting. They're all very unique. You kind of want to try a lot of things as this has so many flavors and interesting ones. So we are at the mall and we're tasting Paul & Mike, which has a little bit of orange flavor. I have Amay with me, who is a non-vegan, but will taste a vegan chocolate with me in the flavor Sichuan, orange,
Sichuan pepper and orange.
I don't know if I'm excited or scared.
I'm scared.
Sorry.
You never seen the masalas.
Interesting. Oh my god. You can taste the pepper at the end. My mind is blown. It's like hot sauce plus orange plus chocolate.
How does it not have milk? It tastes like a normal chocolate.
Yeah, it tastes like normal chocolate. That's all vegan chocolates for you. It tastes like normal chocolate.
You know how this tastes?
It's going for 2 more.
बचपन जब तुम ग्रोसरी स्टोर जाते थे, how it used to smell? It tastes like that.
Oh,
You know, with
like
all,
a mixture of spices.
yeah, all the spices together.
I feel towards the end you can feel the spice. Tikha तीखा लग रहा है मुझे. This is the weirdest but the most interesting chocolate I've tasted till date.
I like it.
You like it?
I don't know if I can have more.
तीखा है.
I managed to find flavors which are at times fancier than non-vegan brands. It's amazing. In terms of taste, I'm definitely gonna rate it a 10 on 10 for the sheer number of flavors that it has and how it manages to nail it. In terms of health, I'm gonna rate it a 7 on 10. So yeah, this was my exploration of vegan chocolate brands all across India and a list of top 5 of them. Happy to do more and happy to explore more brands. If you have any, please leave them in the comments below. I would love to test them out. And you can definitely look forward to more such lists of more such vegan foods in the future. Stay more jazz, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon.